Welcome to the Crypto Energy channel. Today I want to bring you guys a new coin, and the ticker for this new coin is SOLX. This is on MEXC. It's on a few other exchanges. I don't believe it's on any of the main exchanges. This is on the Solana chain, and the main goal of this is to fix downtime on Solana and fix congestion as far as long wait times go when transferring coins from one wallet to another wallet. Overall, Solana is a very fast network compared to Ethereum or any other chain, but it still takes several minutes. So this coin is supposed to help with that, and that is, I'm not going to do a deep dive on it right now, but that's just a very quick summary of what it does. So let's look at the chart. If you guys want to learn more, then obviously do your own research. This is not financial advice. I'm just trying to show you guys a new coin. And mostly what I do on this channel is TA, but I thought there would be some good background information on it. It's not a meme coin or anything like that. Again, it's been out a while. It has been out some time. So obviously this is on MEXC. And when it first came out, like most coins on MEXC spot, it went straight to zero. But now it's starting to make a rounded bottom, and we'll see what it can do. So again, this is on MEXC. I do not have access to MEXC. But finally, you got above the 200-day moving average starting at 5.4. Since then, you've done about a 5x. And honestly, it looks like it wants to continue. You had a rounded bottom there. You had another rounded bottom there. You could even say that's like, well, that is a higher low. And now you're trying to break the 200-day smooth moving average on the daily time frame. Anytime you break the daily 200, which is this thin yellow line here, you usually do it on the 2-day and then the 3-day, which you've already done. Then you do it on the 4-day. Have you done that yet? You just did that, and you ripped at, that was at 14. Now you're all the way at 28. And on the 5-day, you're looking for the 5-day to be hit now. And this thing might just start going parabolic. The 5 days at 39, that'd be about a 50% pump. The 6-day would be the next target, which we don't have. No, yeah, we do have data from. That's all the way up at 2.4. That's like a 10x from here. And then if you look at the weekly, I don't believe the weekly has data yet. It will in a few weeks, but overall, that's what I'm looking at right now. There's a little bit of a pump coming, and I'm going to see if this is on weeks or blowfin. Actually, I can look right now. I'm just going to look right now while I'm doing this video, because if it is, I could see myself trading this. It looks really bullish to you, and you don't really need to use too much leverage when it comes to this stuff, because, you know, if it just goes parabolic. So let me just look. So SOLX is not on blowfin. Is it on weeks? I don't think it's on many exchanges. Again, this is on MEXC. And then if I just type this in again, you can see that, of course, it's going to be on Solana chain, which would be, you could buy it on, well, you can look at the chart on Dex Tools, but you can buy it on just through Phantom is what I'm trying to say. I couldn't think of what I was trying to say. So you can buy it through Phantom. Yeah, I don't see it on blowfin or weeks. Those are the two exchanges I trade on. I'm guaranteeing you it's not on Coinbase yet, but I bet that Coinbase would have the market cap of this crypto. So let me look at that. It is on Coinbase, and I don't know if this is accurate. It might not be, but it very well might be. If this is accurate, I mean, you'd be getting it really early. The market cap says it's $119,000. So if that's the case, it's extremely high risk. It's like a 10 out of 10 on risk. I would say 9 out of 10 because you're above the 200-day moving average. But it's still very high risk if that's really the market cap. So, you know, I'm just showing you this coin. If I was going to put any money into it, if I had access to buy this coin, I'd probably put a few $100 in and see what happens. If I lose it, I lose it. But as long as you stay above the daily 200 at 14, there's no reason to be bearish, especially if we're above the 4-hour 200, which we are, and that's coming in roughly at 18. So if you stay above 18, really, I have no reason to be bearish on this asset. And even though it's not really a new coin, but it's a coin a lot of people don't know about, you know, it could do numbers. So let's see what happens. But it's a unique coin. I'm going to start doing like at least one unique coin every week just for fun. I'll make a new playlist for it. But that's my unique coin of the week, and I'm just going to start doing this regularly. I'll be live today in an hour and a half, 3 p.m. Central Time on YouTube and TikTok. Hopefully I'll see you guys over there. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys hit the like, subscribe, share this video with friends. And again, the trend is your friend until the end. Right now, the trend on this coin is very much to the upside. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers, and have a great rest of your month.